girl. Maybe she means a lot. I just want to make her feel that she's special. I just want her to be happy. It's more of my appreciation towards kids. It's more about me showing respect, me showing how much she's worth. She deserves everything.
Nakakatawa siya. Thoughtful. Napakabait. Kung gusto man, siya na soldi na lang ganun kayo.
I'm sincere sa friendship natin, and I'm really happy, I'm really comfortable around you, and yun, masaya kang kasama. Sobra.
Sana makilala pa kita, magkakilala pa tayo.
She's sweet, she's nice, she's beautiful. Diba? Parang she's given. Siya yun eh.
Si Yanle, funny, caring, thoughtful.
Siyempre, kinikilig-kilig naman ng konti. Pero doon muna, siyempre, dahan-dahan lang para sigurado ka sa kung anong nararamdaman mo.
I'm just enjoying every moment with her.
Pag naramdaman niya ng kanyang piso, ay nagpipigilan, di ba?
Ang bait naman lang sa Rian, magana.
There's something about it na talagang wow.
Matagal na magiging magkaibigan or kung saan man papunta to. Huwag naman bigla-bigla kasi hindi naman maganda yun. Maganda yung may foundation dito. Mas maganda yung kilala niya na bago kayo papasok dito.
Let's take it step by step. Hindi naman arong-arong to part the future. Just take it moment by moment. We maintain a good friendship. So nothing changed. Kahit kung may magbago, probably grown.
Love makes you happy, makes you smile.
Basta kami panig yung masaya kasi dalawa. Ako masaya.